What if your smartphone could replace a professional camera setup completely? Meet the all-new Vivo X300 Ultra, a phone that doesn't just take photos, it redefines photography. This is Vivo's most ambitious flagship ever, and for the first time, it's going global. But this isn't just another powerful phone. This is a photography monster packed into your pocket. Let's start with the camera, because that's where this phone truly shines. A massive 200-megapixel main sensor delivers incredible light capture, giving you sharper details even in low light. And then there's the periscope zoom, another 200-megapixel sensor, capable of capturing distant objects with insane clarity. But here's the crazy part. You can attach real external lenses, including 200mm and 400mm options. That means this phone can literally transform into a DSLR-like system. You also get a full photography kit, with a grip case, filters, and even a carrying setup. This is not just a phone, it's a complete camera ecosystem. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, making it incredibly fast for gaming, editing, and multitasking. With up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and high-speed storage, everything feels smooth and instant. The display is just as impressive, a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with up to 144 Hz refresh rate. It's bright, fluid, and perfect for everything from watching content to gaming. Battery life is solid too, with a 6,600 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day or more. And with 100 watts fast charging, you can quickly get back to 100% without waiting long. This is also Vivo's first Ultra flagship going global, meaning more people will finally be able to experience it. Starting at around $1,000, it's priced like a flagship, but offers something truly different. So the real question is this still a smartphone or the future of mobile photography? Let me know what you think.